Hello and welcome back to our channel everyone. Today, we are embarking on a captivating journey into the realm of masterpieces, creativity, and staggering values. We are about to explore the top most expensive paintings in the world, artworks that have left the art world and collectors in awe. Art has always been a reflection of human creativity and expression, and it's no wonder that the world's most exceptional works of art can command staggering prices. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the stories behind the paintings that have shattered auction records and rewritten the history of art. Before we get started, it's essential to understand the factors that contribute to the value of a painting. Factors such as the artist's reputation, rarity, provenance, and historical significance play a crucial role in determining the price of a painting. Top 10 Most Expensive Paintings. Now, let's explore the top 10 most expensive paintings in the world, and unravel the stories behind these extraordinary works of art. Painting number 1. Salvator Mundi by Leonardo da Vinci. We begin our journey with Salvator Mundi by Leonardo da Vinci, a masterpiece that took the art world by storm when it sold for a record-breaking $450.3 million at auction. Painting number 2. Interchange by Willem de Kooning. Next up, Interchange by Willem de Kooning, an abstract expressionist painting that fetched a staggering $300 million. De Kooning's dynamic brushwork and the painting's historical significance contributed to its immense value. Painting number 3. The Card Players by Paul Cézanne. Paul Cézanne's The Card Players is a masterpiece that was sold privately for an astounding $250 million. This series of paintings is celebrated for its portrayal of Provençal peasants engrossed in their game, and it's a testament to Cézanne's mastery. Painting number 4. Ennio Couche by Amedeo Modigliani. Amedeo Modigliani's Ennio Couche is a sensual and iconic masterpiece that achieved a remarkable price of $170.4 million. Modigliani's innovative approach to figurative art and his unique style contribute to the painting's allure. Painting number 5. Violet, Green and Red, by Mark Rothko. Mark Rothko's number 6, Violet, Green and Red, is an abstract expressionist marvel that fetched a stunning $186 million. Rothko's ability to convey deep emotions through color and form has made his works highly coveted. Painting number 6, Woman 3 by Willem de Kooning. Willem de Kooning makes another appearance on our list with Woman 3, which was sold for an impressive $137.5 million. De Kooning's bold and powerful portrayal of the female form in this painting is a significant contribution to the art world. Painting number 7. Masterpiece by Roy Lichtenstein. Roy Lichtenstein's masterpiece is a pop art treasure that achieved a remarkable price of $165 million. This painting, with its signature comic book-inspired style, is a testament to Lichtenstein's impact on the art world. Painting number 8. Nuances sur un divan by Amedeo Modigliani. Amedeo Modigliani makes a second appearance on our list with Nuances sur un divan, a stunning portrayal of a reclining nude that sold for $157.2 million. Modigliani's ability to capture the essence of the human form is unrivaled. Painting number 9. Ennio Couche by Amedeo Modigliani. Again, another Ennio Couche by Modigliani makes it to our list, emphasizing the artist's profound impact. This painting sold for $139.5 million, further showcasing Modigliani's enduring influence. Painting number 10. Jeune fille en fleur, Young Girl with a Flower, by Amedeo Modigliani. We close our list with Jeune fille en fleur, Young Girl with a Flower, by Amedeo Modigliani, a testament to the artist's unmatched skill in portraying the human form. This masterpiece achieved a remarkable price of $115.7 million. Legacy. The top most expensive paintings in the world aren't just objects of monetary value. They represent the pinnacle of human creativity, innovation, and expression. These paintings have become symbols of art's ability to transcend time and boundaries, captivating the hearts and minds of people worldwide. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 10 most expensive paintings in the world, each with its own unique story and significance. Art continues to be a source of inspiration, fascination, and investment, redefining what is possible in the world of creativity and value. If you found this exploration of the art world intriguing, please give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more captivating stories of art, history, and culture. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.